So today we're going to be looking at Data Center Network Manager, which is comprised of three individual modules. So the first one being DCNM LAN, which is geared towards data center network admins who are primarily focused on Ethernet, routing, switching, the Nexus portfolio. The second module is the DCNM SAN module, which is for storage admins who are looking after data center fabrics, so looking at fiber channel fabrics and storage arrays. And then the third module, which we'll be having a look at today, is the DCNM dashboard. So DCNM dashboard is composed of really three main elements. So first one being health, as you see on the left side here, so we can have a look at all of our various warnings, our licensing warnings. We can have the current ones, the ones in the last 24 hours. The second one is inventory, so looking at what devices are within our data center fabric, not just from device and module point of view, but also from a consumption point of view. So looking at what ports have been consumed, and then this allows us for a base for a capacity planning in the future. And then the part of the dashboard is performance. So look at our various ISLs and trunks, our host and our storage ports, and then also being a really easy to visualize approach topology. So down here in the bottom right hand corner, we're able to see our two DC fabrics, and we're able to have a look at quickly and easily the utilization of things like CPU or memory within those devices. Ops team troubleshoot tickets. A very important feature is the ability to take a storage enclosure, and in this case we just have one within our fabric, being able to visualize what's connected to that storage. So in this case we only have the one host, but if you imagine all of those different hosts connect back to your one storage array or multiple storage arrays, it's important for a network operations team to be able to figure out which or what the path is through that fabric between our hosts and our targets. Over the right hand side as well, as you'll note, we also have some performance metrics. So this is used for troubleshooting as well as capacity planning in the future. And then again for troubleshooting, we have over here on the top right hand corner previously seen events. So being able to see when this device was connected, which allows an ops team to go and troubleshoot only within their network. So we drill down, if we have multiple hosts, we could drill down on the particular host, level of displaying virtual machines running on that host, and we can have a look at which storages those machines connect to. So another valuable feature for a networks or an operations team. So another feature is being able to have a look at all of our different fiber end devices or fiber channel switches in our network. In this case, we only have the two in our lab in Sydney. But this is a really easy to read display on things like our receive and our transmit averages, which again goes into capacity planning, and then also having a look at errors, discards, and how that gets into our data center fabric. Look at real-time statistics is something that a data center ops team would use today when they're receiving tickets they need to troubleshoot. They're just managing their fabric. They have that real-time information. But what happens if other parts of the business, other parts of the IT department want to have a look at what's been going on in the fabric for the past 24 hours, the past month, or even up to a year? So DCNM provides a very detailed and comprehensive reporting engine, which allows us to go and generate reports on specific time or generate them in real time a wide range of attributes, and those can be scheduled, and they can also be emailed to whoever needs to look at them within the business. So these are pre-planned or predefined, but then there's also the ability for a user to then go and define their own for a more bespoke report if they need to. So this is just a quick introduction to Cisco CCNM, and I hope you found it valuable. Thank you.